SunZia Transmission is the largest HVDC-powered wind energy project in the United States. Upon completion, it will power approximately 3 million Americans with clean wind energy. SunZia is extremely critical because electricity demand is rising rapidly due to population growth, electrification of transportation, and data center expansions, while the grid struggles with aging infrastructure and limited renewable integration.
By delivering 3,000 megawatts of clean wind energy through 550 miles of HVDC line, SunZia adds significant capacity to meet growing demand and reduces reliance on fossil fuels. Hitachi Energy is our partner on this groundbreaking project and serves as the core technology provider, delivering essential HVDC systems and converter stations.
SunZia is one of the largest renewable energy projects in the United States. The goal is to deliver clean, reliable power to millions of homes and businesses, reduce carbon emissions, and strengthen the grid for the future.
SunZia project is made up of 916 wind turbines. The energy produced by the wind farms goes through underground and overhead collection line system to the HVDC stations. This power enters the AC area, flows through the converter transformers and reactor area into a valve halls, where it gets converted from AC to DC and is sent via transmission line to the West Station in Arizona. At the West Station, the power enters the valve hall where it gets converted from DC to AC, flows out through the reactor area, and gets stepped up via converter transformers to the 500 kV voltage, which is connected to the grid and sent all the way to California.
There are two converter stations, one located at each end of the line. They perform AC-DC conversion using VSC technology, enabling bidirectional power flow and reactive power support. The MACH control system is the digital platform for real-time monitoring and control of the HVDC link. It ensures high reliability, fast fault detection, and dynamic performance optimization. It is the brains of the system.
The AC choppers in the SunZia East Station are the first AC choppers installed in the world by Hitachi Energy. They are ultra-fast safety devices that absorb sudden bursts of energy to keep the AC grid voltage from spiking. They protect converters, filters, and wind generation during disturbance.
Over the past 5 years, Pattern Energy and Hitachi Energy have worked together collaboratively to come up with the performance criteria for the project to ensure we were building the highest quality product in the safest possible manner and work together to solve all of the challenges that came up throughout the course of the project. The biggest long-term benefit of SunZia lies in its ability to fundamentally reshape the energy landscape by enabling large-scale renewable integration and grid decarbonization. HVDC technology provides precise power flow control, supports weak grids, and enhances stability, which is critical as more intermittent renewables come online.
The SunZia East Converter Station project has been an amazing benefactor to the community of Corona. They have the ability to upgrade their infrastructure, whether it's their water system, the roadways, their fire department, and the schools will benefit greatly. This historical project I am a part of, that's something that's not just going to live on through me, it's going to live on through my children and grandchildren.
This project is a fantastic example of human ingenuity. It represents human creativity, problem solving, and technological advancement.
The level of precision and problem solving that was required is one that you don't see on most projects. It's a privilege to be at the forefront of such a transformative initiative with Hitachi Energy. Let's inspire the next.
Let's inspire the next.
Let's inspire the next era of sustainable energy.